it's gonna transform because everything we have before this is like in camera coordinate system. Eventually, we want everything in the robot coordinate system. So this is like transform it from camera to the robot coordinate system. Click next. And here we can actually do some sorting. So depending on the type of application, for example, for the bin picking, we always want to pick the highest layer first. Then we're gonna do like sorting by z value, like descending method. So it's gonna be the highest point gonna be which is gonna go first. Then we can also have like kind of like a restriction on the pick point. This is like using the robot base frame as a reference. Like its z value correspond to calculate the angle between the z axis to the pick point z axis. So if it's like I just said 10, then all of them will be removed. And if I give you a bigger range, then it's like 90, those will be kept. So depending on the project specifically, you can set this as well. So after that, we just save. Then by running everything, like the post will be output to the robot. Then we can go to take a look at the project. I think this is like the common robot programming you can use pretty much for the application. So we should have this already installed in the teach-dependent. So in general, just same thing you're gonna do for the calibration is like you're gonna establish the communication with this one. So if you don't know like what those argumentations stand for, you can always just click on this. It will bring you to this kind of like detailed instruction telling you like which one is which, and also give you like an example of what this means. And we're gonna do like establish communication. Then the robot's like gonna program like this P2 to move to the capturing position. Then it's gonna trigger the camera capture by start viz. So if you don't know what that means, we can open it. So it's gonna be the Macvision job project ID, which is this one right here, like the one. And then post number needed, like number of posts you want the vision system to send, and the type of post you want the vision system to send. So we can send either like a join position or like a oil angle, so depending on your requirements. And so that's a start with. Then after start with basically start running this project, and you will have like a gap viz, which get like which is checking if the viz has running the running of viz is finished or not. So we can take a look at this one as well. So also have a job ID and post number of posts, and also this one is very important. So the status for if the project is running finish, you can see we have the 53. We're gonna check if it's equal to 111. Yeah, like 100. If it is, then you can proceed with the gap post. If it's not, you can write it on like some program logic right there. Usually we just add like maybe we do like 3-time capture. If it still give you no results, then we're gonna kind of raise it alarm. So this is like a successful running. If you don't know like what that code stands for, you can open this one here. So for Macvision only, those will be the Macvision error code. For example, the 1100 stand for get version readout successfully. So if you see any code you don't know what that stands for, you can always look through this website as well. Then if we get if we do get like 1100, then we're gonna get post. So this one gonna get exactly the peak point right here we're sending. So this value. So get post. Where do you go? Oh. So this get post is getting the TCP value. And if you want to get join position, you will need to use get GPS. So two different methods. And so that's like the first one gonna be the series 0, I think, PR number. And this like 60 gonna be the position, like the post position. And 61 gonna be like the label. If you have any, for example, we set like two peak point right here. You want peak point 1 to be picked with one type of gripper, peak point 2 to be picked with another type of gripper. That's when the label come in place. So you can set label to peak point 1 as 1 and peak point 2 as 2. So based on the label information you get, you can kind of like switch gripper based on the label. 62 is not commonly used, but we just write it there because it's one of the arguments. And that's a case of only single post. Then if you're having like a second post, you will probably write 2, like get post 2, then 60, maybe 70, 71, 72. So make sure they don't overwrite the previous one. So get a new register. So then after that, I think all those like approaching and peak program will be basically doing on the robot side. So like I think that's point you're gonna offset based on the peak point we give you. So then also like the gripper open and close logic will be like applied right here. And that's pretty much so it gives you like a general kind of like workflow of what exactly which comment means, and also we have like explanation for every single line, I think. So you can always read through this documentation. Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much for the standard setup for like a simple beam picking project. You guys have any questions so far?
Stay with your robot, mate.
Yeah.
No, I need looking the.
Yeah, you need to look at.
I need looking the.
Give me your number.
So